company's like a family. I think, they care about you instead of not knowing your name. There's a great culture. And they give you so many opportunities.
I often get asked at JRT what our future looks like, and I really feel it's bright. I see a lot of opportunity for the company, a lot of growth for our employees, a lot of growth for the young employees that come to work in the company.
Started as an apprentice, and now I'm a fab and CAD superintendent.
I started as an HVAC installer, and now I'm a HVAC foreman.
I started as a plumbing apprentice, and now I'm a plumbing foreman.
I started at JRT as a project manager assistant, and am now currently learning to be a project manager.
I started JRT as an HVAC installer, and I am now an HVAC foreman.
I started as a plumbing apprentice, and I am now a plumbing foreman.
Currently, JRT has 2 locations throughout the state. We have one in Southwest Washington, and we also have one that's in the Tri-Cities area. We do anticipate also moving north up the I-5 corridor. Our culture at JRT is very family-oriented. Many of the fathers and mothers have their sons and daughters that work here at the company. Yes, we're a mid-sized company, but we still operate at a small company level. There's a lot of good-natured teasing and banter that goes on at JRT between their employees. You can tell our employees, they like each other, they like working with each other. A key aspect to our success here at JRT is the fact that we participate in apprenticeship programs. And these are 4-year programs that our employees go through that start out as a level 1 apprentice and end up as a journeyman, whether they're an HVAC journeyman or a plumbing journeyman. We've also recently added a new division, which is going to be a mechanical installation apprenticeship program. And these programs are wonderful for our employees because they are paid by JRT. When they complete their course, they have no financial debt, and they are at a very excellent wage. Letting our employees know we appreciate them is a key value here at JRT Mechanical. We know our employees during the busy season make sacrifices, but their families make sacrifices as well.
I've worked at JRT for 8 years.
I've been at JRT Mechanical for 7.5 years.
I've worked at JRT for 13 years.
Been here 10.5 years.
I've worked at JRT for almost 4 years now.
If you ever get the opportunity to come work for JRT, it's definitely worth the leap, and come and grow with us. There's a big future ahead of us.